Hanggang ngayon, natatakot ka pa rin sa rejections, client interviews, still looking for a client. Listen to this and listen well. Times, ang pinakang laking takot natin is yung tayo ay matalo, ma-reject, yung maka-receive ng no. And I think one thing that helped me overcome yung mga rejections is when I started accepting my flaws. Number 1 na doon, hindi ako magaling mag-English. Yes, 8 years ako sa call center. And yes, na-promote po ako nung na-promote nang hindi ako magaling mag-English. Kasi for some reason, tuwing i-interviewin ako, ang lagi ko lang iniisip is that as long as I am genuine, as long as I show what I'm capable of, I just let the numbers speak for themselves. My best mentor ever, si Francis, he was my then team lead nung ako ay assistant team lead. At siya naman yung naging OM ko nung ako naman yung ma-promote ng team lead. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na malayo yung mararating ko. And him, along with Randall, who's my other team lead, was also my mentor. Sila yung nagsabi sa akin na may angking talino ka na hindi mo pa nakikita. And since then, nagkaroon ako ng confidence na baka nga hindi lang ako naniniwala sa sarili ko. Pagkatapos eto pa, one more thing that I guess helped me overcome my fear of rejection is nung nag-start ako maglaro ng si Popski. Hinaan natin yung kwentuhan natin kasi nahilig na si Popski. One more thing that I think helped me na ma-overcome yung rejections at saka yung mga bashers, naysayers, yung hindi nagtitiwala is when I started playing Mobile Legends. Nung una, stress na stress ako pag may nanta-trash talk. Pero nung napansin ko na nung natutunan ko na kung ano yung weakness ko at ano yung strengths ko, and if I use my strengths and I just harness that power to create the results that I am looking for, eventually, puputok yung galing ko. Labas yung galing ko. At pag lumabas yung galing ko, doon ako nananalo. And so, no matter how many times na mag-fail ako, no matter how many times na may magsabi na wala silang tiwala sa akin, as long as ini-embrace ko yung flaws ko and yung weakness ko, and then lalo na yung alam ko kung saan ako magaling, pag ginamit ko yung galing kong yun, nababaliwala na yung mga failures and rejections eh. So, I guess, dun din nanggagaling yung lagi ko sinasabi na when you don't get something, it's not rejection, it's redirection, because eventually, everything made perfect sense as long as I keep pushing forward. Now, if you know for a fact na sa interview ka mahina, doon ka mag-focus. Yun yung i-improve mo everyday. Mag-practice ka. If hindi ka sure kung paano nga ba yung mga interviews, paano ako magpa-practice, I actually created a guide na kalink sa bio ko. Kung hindi mo alam kung paano pang magsisimula na gumaling sa interviews, this might help. Again, I'm not promising anything, but this might help. This would be a good start. I-click mo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pag hindi nag-work yan, i-copy mo lang sa browser, tas i-paste mo. Mas maganda kung nasa computer ka. Sa Instagram, nandito rin siya. Yung interview questions, yung mismong interview guide, nasa Facebook siya, naka-link lang siya dyan. Pero, kung medyo naliligaw ka, pagdating mo doon sa link sa bio ko, nandito siya. Interview tips. There. I-click mo lang yan, bubuksan na yan. Nandiyan na rin yung mga sample answers. Pero again, you have to practice and make sure na fit yung answer mo based on your experience. Okay? Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from our work from home chismis. Bye!